Okay, my name is Richard, New Life Promoter. So today I want to teach how to run ad. And because something when you are a business person, you are supposed to know some uh, techniques. Those techniques are very, very important. Yeah, very, very important. But to get instant results, if you are looking for, so you see in other traditional business, every business because something advertisement, you have to advertise or do advert for your products in any ways, or you do product awareness the same way it is on online. You see, so today I want to teach us about one very important aspect of business, which is advertisement, but in this case, in online. So you can do your Google ad, that's advertisement, or Facebook ad. So today I want to teach us how to do how to run an ad. Uh, how to run an ad. So these are the way. So if you are watching me from any part of the world, you are welcome once again. My name is Richard. I'm a digital marketer and new life promoter. So that's it. So let's continue. So this is my page. That is my Facebook page. When you look at it very well, you realize that this is my normal Facebook page over here. Hope everybody can see it. Uh, this is my normal page over here. But when you look at it, you realize that this is it. But if you want to run an ad, you have to go to this place. Yeah. So if you go to this place, you from there you go to Art Center. There are a lot of things over here. Art Center. So when you go to Art Center like this, then you advertise your product. Uh, so right now, if you want to create a new ad, right now, you see this my Facebook name. So if you want to create an ad, you go to create an ad. Mm. So that's it. Hope everybody can see it. If you cannot see it, please raise your hand up. Give me a signal you cannot see it. So you see, these are the posts that are available. That's what Google said I should. Those are the, how do you call it? These are some of the things that the posts that I have. So if you want to advertise it, as you are telling Google that Google should show you how to do it. This is the way. So let's continue. So he's asking us, should we use this post? Or you want to change it? Uh, what result would you like from this ad? That means that when you run this ad or you help the Facebook help you to advertise it, what is your target? Uh, do you want to the people who the advert go to? Do you want them to buy, or yes, or you just want them to know about your product? That's your target. So I have already posted this thing before. You understand? So it's just trying to ask us. So if you want to change it up, you can change it over here. Uh, the goal, if you want to change it. He said, as for the, he said automatic. Huh. So if your goal is to look at get more followers, or that's traffic, get more website visitors, or get more lead, or get more calls, the one that you want. You understand? You want more calls, more lead, and I'll be explaining some terms over here. Leads and leads are the potential people who are going to help you. You understand? The potential people that can buy your product. So if I will say me, I want to get lead. For example, I'm giving example for her. So that's my goal. So you have selected it. So let me see. No, don't put it on automatic. No, you should select your goals. Yes, I want more lead. Yeah, my goal is to more lead. So I'll save it here. Understand? Get more lead. Then, do you want to use the post? If you don't want to use the poster, and add this one. But let's say I want to use the this one. So you go from here. You go to lead. You want to change the media. So these are the ways you can do it. Tomorrow we will continue. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Uh-huh. So that's it. See you again.